The wait is finally over as we dive deep into everything you need to know about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. From jaw-dropping design changes to cutting-edge technology, this flagship is shaping up to redefine the smartphone experience. You'll want to stick around till the end because there's a potential game changer that Samsung might surprise us with, something no other flagship has dared to deliver before. First things first, the design. Leaked hands-on videos have confirmed that Samsung has taken a bold step in refining the S25 Ultra's aesthetics. The boxy design has been softened with rounded edges, offering a more comfortable grip without losing its premium look. The nearly flat display, surrounded by ultra-thin symmetrical bezels, adds a modern, polished feel, making it stand out in the crowded flagship market. But what really catches the eye is the quad-camera setup on the back, seamlessly integrated into the sleek frame. The color options, absolutely stunning. Samsung is rumored to launch the S25 Ultra in titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. But that's not all. Exclusive online shades like titanium jade green and titanium pink gold might be introduced in select markets, giving buyers even more reasons to get excited. These shades reflect Samsung's strategy to cater to diverse tastes across the globe. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring blazing fast speeds and next-level multitasking. This processor promises true laptop-grade performance, handling demanding tasks with ease. The 200MP primary sensor, combined with advanced telephoto and ultra-wide lenses, elevates smartphone photography to professional levels. Imagine capturing stunning detail even in low light or shooting cinematic videos that rival dedicated cameras. Battery life is another area where the S25 Ultra shines. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, it supports 45 kW fast charging and 15 kW wireless charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout your busiest days. For gamers and binge watchers, the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers immersive visuals with vibrant colors and buttery smooth refresh rates, making every interaction a visual treat. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Samsung is rumored to be collaborating with OpenAI to bring advanced AI features to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Imagine having ChatGPT seamlessly integrated into your phone, assisting with tasks, enhancing productivity, and even personalizing your user experience. If these leaks turn out to be true, this collaboration could set a new benchmark for smartphone AI capabilities. And what about durability? The S25 Ultra doesn't compromise here either. With an IP68 rating, it's built to withstand water and dust, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and those accidental spills. Plus, Samsung's commitment to providing 7 years of Android updates means you're investing in a device designed to stay relevant for years to come. Of course, no flagship launch is complete without some drama. Samsung's decision to exclude the Exynos chipset entirely from the S25 series is a clear response to criticism over its performance in previous models. By opting exclusively for Snapdragon processors, Samsung aims to ensure consistent and powerful performance across all regions. As for pricing, early leaks hint at a potential increase due to the rising costs of the Snapdragon chipset. While this might seem concerning, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's premium features could very well justify the price hike, making it a worthy investment for tech enthusiasts. So, what do you think? Does the Galaxy S25 Ultra live up to the hype? Which feature are you most excited about? The groundbreaking camera, the AI advancements, or the refined design? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our in-depth review once the S25 Ultra officially launches. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.